Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming gear and file settings, battery, card space, and stitch mode, because capture mistakes are hard to fix later. Mount the 360 camera level and set resolution to 4K or higher for crisp results. Once rolling, record a 10-20-second test clip to verify stitch lines, exposure, and audio. If you see gaps or jitter, adjust tripod height or camera alignment now. This prevents wasted footage and makes the upload process smoother and faster. You then move to stitching and editing, transfer files to a fast drive, and keep a backup copy because edits can corrupt originals. Use the Camera Maker Stitcher or trusted tools like AutoPano, stitch to correct seam artifacts and smooth motion. Once stitched, color grade for consistent exposure across angles and apply stabilization sparingly to avoid warping. Export the final video as equirectangular 2:1, keeping original resolution and using H.264 or 8. You finish by uploading the equirectangular file to YouTube and making sure 360 metadata is present, either injected by your stitcher or added with a metadata tool, so YouTube recognizes it as spherical. Fill title, description, and 360 tags, then pick a clear 16:9 thumbnail for non-immersive previews. Once processed, test playback on desktop, mobile, and a headset to confirm seam integrity and spatial audio. If playback is flat or non-360, recheck metadata injection. Re-export and re-upload if needed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.